had a wedding and I had nothing to wear because I just given birth to my baby boy and my wardrobe doesn't fit anymore. So I decided to sew a skirt with a bit of Remnant I had. So because the pattern goes vertically, I had to adjust the fabric, the material, to make it horizontally. The first thing I did was measure the amount of fabric I had. So I decided to cut 3 panels. And sew them together. So you need to put right sides together and sew a straight stitch. After doing this, you'll need to sew a zigzag stitch. And once you have your whole piece together, you can sew the hem. You would normally do this after you've sewn the skirt, but I knew the length I wanted, so I decided to do it first. Because I wanted to hide the seams, the best way to do this was to make some pleats. So I went on and did it right on my mannequin instead of measuring them, because I needed to make sure they didn't show. After you do this and secure them with some pins, you can go ahead and sew them together. Then I cut some rectangles to make the waist. And it's really simple, you only need 2 rectangles for the front and back. And then once you fold them back, you have a waist well structured. You can even add some band inside to make it more stiff. And this is how it turns out once you sew it to the skirt. And after this, the only thing you need is a zip. Make sure you use a zipper foot to avoid any troubles with the zips. I hate doing zips. And this is the final result. and this is how it looked to me. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this project and just realize that you can use any piece of material and make the most of it.